get trucks to honk our horns at us. They're going honk, honk, honk. Okay, the camera's over here. We're waiting for big truck. Ready? Look. Ready? Go. Say honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Oh, man, they're no fun. You got it. We got to wait for a truck. There's no trucks coming down. Here comes a truck. Look, over there. Stop doing it. Honk, 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 honk. Yay! He did it! We had a truck honking. Ready? Like honk, 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 honk. Yay! There's another truck that honked at us. Woo! Sitting on 95 exit. Killing some time. Having trucks honk at us. It's pretty cool. Look, there's a big truck. That's a Coca-Cola truck. Let's go. Ah, he didn't do it. That's okay. We got two trucks and videos there. Woo! I don't know if they can see us over there. Uh-oh. Cars? Cars? Trucks? Whoa! That was a big truck. Is it cars? Cars? Trucks? You want to do more honks? We gotta wait for a truck.